Apple and Samsung are gearing up for a head-to-head battle in 2025, and the leaks are insane. From Apple's sleek redesign to Samsung's AI power moves, this is shaping up to be the most epic phone war yet. Let's start with the iPhone 16. Leaks show a redesigned button layout, thinner bezels, and a more efficient battery. Apple's also testing a brand new capture button made just for creators, and yes, it's expected on all models this year. On the software side, iOS 19 is rumored to bring deeper AI integration, smarter Siri, and even AI-powered photo editing. Now, Samsung isn't holding back either. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is reportedly packing a 200 megapixel sensor with next-gen zoom and insane low-light performance. It'll likely ship with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, promising desktop-level power. And here's the kicker. Galaxy AI is about to get a huge upgrade, making real-time translation and voice commands way smarter than ever before. Apple's going sleek, Samsung's going savage. If these leaks are true, we're looking at the two most powerful phones ever released. iPhone might win on simplicity, but Samsung is going full innovation mode. What would you pick? Let me know in the comments, iPhone 16 or Galaxy S26 Ultra. Which one has your vote? Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest updates.